u350 or 370 because useze wa-add
yes
has become the core of umuntu omnyama mawumcabanga like mangasuthuthi nje ukufakela imali athi hayi ungayifaka ebank ukuphazamisa u350 wami yabona ngiyakutshela azinonto ibhlungu kanjani iyadlala ngomqondo womuntu omnyama because wena ufuna umfayile imali enkulu unalo 350 but yena ufocused unakile lo pending yabo because how can you still zibuze napho umuntu omdala how can you still u2 billion without usazi wazi the minute kuba khona imali above 100,000 imove kwi system usazi uyazi usazi uyazi and usazi uyakuya kuwena ufuna ukwazi what's going on le mali uyithatha kwenzekalani but yena he was able to take u2 billion nje
Eyitahola nganza kwethu sanibingelela kolunye uhlelo lingayizivele lo Durban Network another epic episode. I am your host uSaben Sizwanda wasele phansi emzinto sivula ngamazwi ke namhlanje athi victory will always be determined by preparations. Uma ungayilungiselele ngani yakwethu ukuphumelela kuba inkinga kubalekile ukuthi uma uzodlala uyiqeqeshe uyilungiselele ube on a good condition to face the game. Victory will always be determined by preparations. Siyanamukela ke ngalawo mazwi kolunye uhlelo lwayo ke iDurban Network kanti ke namhlanje sivakashelwe insizwa I can call him a socialite uzero mfana ngithi siyakumukela studio
Budumdala ngiyabingelela it's so nice ukuba la ku Durban Network it's an honor
yes,
Zero to the truth shall set you free so lalela mntu omnyama it's going to be nice
it's
going to be nice
no siyabonga kakhulu mfethu kuningi esizokubuka kodwa perhaps let's start by asking ukuthi ukungena kwalama Palestinians ayo 100 bani 153 exactly. Palestinians eSouth Africa asiqala nje ngeyivuthayo kuchazani ngokubuka kwakho eSouth Africa
ngithanda ngoba uya straight to the point butomdala ucucuzi engakusho mina ukuthi it's all an illusion kumele uyibuze one question bese kwi build up thina siyapi siyaki G20
yes sir
naku manje ke sekuvele kuvuka indaba yokuthi ama Palestinians asuka le ePalestine asidlula wonke ama country lawa as a straight like South Africa ayalenda la causing chaos so that abantu abamnyama will be misdirected ba focus more on the situation yama Palestinians ukuthi afakiwe le South Africa aleka ama documents whilst ngemuva abantu are busy auctioning iland they are busy auctioning ama business khona bezokwenza sure ukuthi the time kushaya iG20 sekukhulunywa indaba yomsebenzi because again akumele siphazamise umsebenzi abantu abamnyama akumele siphazamise umsebenzi if you just look njengamanje because siphelele iG20 eChina sebevula imine la South Africa libizwa ngeVenpa yezwa they bidded for lokho ukuthi bayithola iziningi ezinye izinto ezenzekalayo and eventually abantu abamnyama bazoqala bavezeleke so as much as sizofocus kule ndaba yama Palestine siqine kakhulu kumele understand ukuthi at the end of the day bebezama something ezoshifta ifocus yomuntu omnyama khona singeke siphazamise umsebenzi siprotest because once umuntu omnyama wahlakanipha and pays attention to izinto siba threats budala
into engifuna ukuyithola la eminyakeni eminingi edlule kuneyinkampani eza introducewa eSouth Africa mhlambe uhulumeni wobandlululo the previous leadership and staff ezimba embiwa phansi njenganama mineral resources eSouth Africa okuyisikhalo ke kubantu abamnyama ukuthi abantu abamnyama abakaze ba prioritize ekutheni nabo ba partake ekutheni bakwazi ukuba nelungelo lokuthola embiwa phansi kusho ukuthini ukuthi at this day and age at this era of time still salanda ama company apheshe ukuthi azosimbela ama mineral resources wethu
ubhlungu lonto the fact ukuthi after years, I think it's not 30 years manje of independence yokuba free. Kodwa we have nothing to show for it as abantu abamnyama.
Jeez.
We have nothing esithi okay nathi siphewe i-direction yokuya phambili. Bakwazi ukubiza ama companies overseas utheze la enze mining.
Yes.
And ithina as abantu abamnyama we are only considered as labor. Whenever isitha talks about umuntu omnyama, they always say uthi we giving them jobs. Why bengekho happy we giving them jobs? Ngeke bakhulume indaba ukuthi okay they are promoting empowerment umuntu omnyama. Uthi nathi sibe namabhizinisi sikwazi ukumine for lithium, sikwazi ukumine for gold, ama diamonds. They will never push umuntu omnyama ukuthi enze into above le limitation abasinike yona njengamanje. Uhlezi kuzoba khona labo nalabo abantu abamnyama because we do have a hero enjengo Mr Motsepe. But ke uba omunye. Does it mean ukuthi bavele bathatha umuntu oyedwa bampromote and then bapha abanye because baningi abantu abamnyama inkinga abasifuna ukusinika le opportunity bayasivimba.
Zero. The other thing that has been said quite a number of time ukuthi amanye ama prominent businesses akhona eSouth Africa esiwabona ephethwe abantu abamnyama siyasigcina sesiza kuthiwa some of them bafrontile uthola ukuthi there are people behind them, you know. Like there was a story in Soweto of a big mall called Maponya Mall. Thiwa hayi akusimall yakhe lo muntu lo ufrontile lo kusho ukuthini kubantu abamnyama ukuthi sithi sivele sicindezeleke kangaka kodwa kube khona abelungu abasebenzisa abantu bakithi size sithembe ngathi nathi khona into esinayo kanti abantu bafrontile
because even nala mawuzokhuluma ngeDurban khona indawo sisemlazi sine mall ekuthiwa eMnyando Mall. And then you would think it's okay i-own umuntu omnyama so kumele siyipromote but then if ubukisisa ngempela umuntu omnyama doesn't really own anything.
Jeez.
Yabo manje I don't understand why bethanda ukukhetha leyo qulu yabo like they are chosen one abazomthintitha bamenza abe there as a front man. Why bengafuni ukuvula ama opportunities for all of us? Why isitha is so incentivized ukuthi kuseni thina ezabantu abamnyama hlezi siphansi? Mele uyibuze nawe bhuti omdala because wena umdala kuthi indlela ibuzwa abaphambili
for sure.
Wena ke if izinto iqhubeka zibe kanje kulo next 10 years kanje uyibona ifuture ye next generation injani? Do you think ukuthi khona umuntu omnyama ozovuka aone imine naye abebillionaire njengomotsepe? Do you think khona umuntu omnyama ozoona imall? Do you think khona umuntu omnyama ozovula i-dealership adayise amakhazi abizayo?
Jeez.
Do you think wena ke there is a way ukuthi nathi sike sivuleleke lama opportunities lawa abanawo bona? Angazi ngiyibuze wena.
Let us put it in this frame. Noma mhlambe ngibuze kanje uma ubuka wena uhulumeni wabantu abamnyama hence you are saying they've been in power for 30 years now, you know. But lezi zinto ziyaqhubeka ziyenzeka ukucindezela komuntu omnyama especially when it comes on the emancipation side or empowerment side kungakube mhlambe into yamabomu ngoba phela we would have thought there should be more black people in the mining sector, but there's very few. There should be more black people owning the malls, but there are few. So wonke ama business that are machine making money, I mean, are still dominated by white people basically. So ucabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe into yamabomu le?
Mina ngimile ngepoint lami because I only love abantu abamnyama. I feel like bas ropa from the very beginning.
Jeez.
I'm sorry to say this, angithanda ukumention amagama, but I feel like our hero yasemphakathini legend uNelson Mandela or uGibson Makhanda, it depends because ubizwa ngehero usemalini, right? But he gave abantu ifreedom or uthe unika abantu ifreedom usibahambe ba noma ngiyephi la bafuna khona sebenzise the same toilets as abantu ama-white sitha singene izitolo ezabo. But if you really think about it, on the day ethi free angizwange ikhuluma lapha kwi-speech sakhe ethi umuntu omnyama finally na iland lapha ya hambani niyotshala na iland lapha hambani niyofaka inkomo amashiphu nivula ama farms. No, nothing was said about some businesses in mining sector, agriculture. Akachazanga lutho, and I can't blame Okoko, I can't blame labo bafika before me because babengazi. He cheated us from the very beginning. That's why I mean angazi, angikwazi ukuxola because I see the truth. Ngivuka ekseni ngibuke abantu behlele isitolo, abanye bengasebenzi. Ngibuka abanye begibela amabhasi begcwele, abanye begibela izitimela, sigcwele sabantu abamnyama siyosebenza. But at the end of the day, sisebenzela into yamanje. High future. We cannot generate or we cannot make a generational wealth. Into yokuthi okay, mawuthi manje ngiyakhothama ngiyahamba ngezulwini or ngiyotatamkhulu. Abalandela mina ekhaya ngibashiya nani. Nalokho it's a cycle yokuthi senza ama CV siya apply for umsebenzi, senza ama CV siya apply for umuntu omnyama deserves better than that. Isitha sihleli njengamanje ngumuzi wayo sipholile sinephuli or sibuka iview yayo lapha yasiya enjoy. Umuntu omnyama is working hard, uclocker in, uclocker out, day in day out, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for unyaka wonke for nothing. Akuyona impilo le.
Jeez. Usase lapho ngifuna sithinte futhi indaba ye-education system that you are having in South Africa. Uma uyibuka wena kungakube inhlobo ye-education engakwazi ukuthi is-empower ukuthi singa-owner ama-business kusasa noma i-education nje yenza ukuthi sikwazi ukubhala i-CV sami sasebenza.
I think vele yabona lapho kumele ubuyele emuva kuma Rockefellers abantu ekuyibona who founded the education system or ngithi abanye ababe contribute kakhulu. uRockefeller lo kuyena uqala umkhulu wabo had an idea yokuthi no man njengoba ese dominate i-oil industry ushoda ngabasebenzi and so what decide ukuthi uzothuma abantu to go bayo enterisha i-education system yabantu abamnyama. That's where it all started ekutheni ukuthi thina sifundiswa ukuthi egcineni sibe ama laborers sibe kwi workforce.
Jeez,
ungahamba uye noma isiphi isikole uhamba uyobuza ingane noma ka grade 12 ngoba phela ibona ababukwa as the future of South Africa. Umbuzo ukuthi i-network isebenza kanjani, how do you build a phone, yes, umbuzo ukuthi i-laptop how is it done, how do you operate Bitcoin, how do you uyawazi ama-bond, uyawazi ama-stocks. They don't teach us lokho. Nalokho bazogcina ngo-solve X, nalokho bazokufundisa uyazi lento indlela lento le e-corrupt ngayo, bakufundisa nge-history hayi yakho umuntu omnyama. You are not taught wena esikoleni ukuthi wena you come from the bloodline of kings and queens, ukuthi wena usuke ebukhosini, you are royalty. Nalokho bazokutshena ngo-Hitler, nalokho bazokutshena ngo-King Leopold, bakubuyisele emuva back kwi-Berlin Conference aka i-Congo Conference. La nakhona abakutsheni wonke ama-details ukuthi kwakusekudividwa i-Africa behlukaniselana. No, bazokutshena ngama-hero. It's amazing how ey'koleni they only teach ngesitha and they teach into ezinhle. They never teach umuntu omnyama into ezomisa phambili. They never teach umuntu omnyama ukuthi naye angenza kangcono. Ibhlungu lonto, ibhlungu. And i-system indlela e-corrupts ngayo bhuti omdala ngempela ukuphazamisa. I-system indlela e-corrupts ngayo ungathatha isithombe mhlawumbe ungene eGoogle ubhala ukuthi Jesus Christ. Uthatha isithombe usprinte and then uye noma yipi ingane from the age of mhlawumbe u10 till the age of mhlawumbe u18 uyiveze isithombe sakhe lo yamlungu lo. Uthi ubalo ingane will tell you ukuthi hayi lona ngimazi kahle Jesus Christ is our savior, our hero. Born was fairly izono zethu lona, yabo ijabula ingane izifuna isho ukuthandaza. And then it's like if ingane yomuntu omnyama ibuka isitha ibuka umlungu, it's that's our hero. What if usumthatha umlungu umbeka phansi kwakhe, automatically ingane izoyibona as less, ibone lo mlungu noma kuthiwa umuphi ibone yena
ngiyabhawa ke
iyabhawa bhuti omdala. Yazi ungafika eKasi uhamba nomlungu uthatha umngane wakho or usebenza naye, bazozakena bamcela umsebenzi, bazozakena bamjabulele. That's the system. Kudlaliwe ngathi
ushaye umqondo,
ushawe early. Imagine ujabulela umlungu.
Jeez.
Why? Yini engcono ujabulela umlungu?
It doesn't make sense. Into engifisa siyibuke sibuyela kancane lapha emva kwi-mining. Over the years, yes, South Africa has been mining. Yes, we are pretty aware ukuthi inkampani zaphesheya eyiminer ezako China, or UK or America,
yes.
blah 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 and stuff, you know. But the huge issue here is yonke into embiwa eSouth Africa. It is not processed in South Africa. It is taken away. Ibuye seyama 1,000. Sesithenga ama-chain manje ngenkulu imali. Things that we should be processing ourselves. We should be designing those fucking things ourselves, you know. Ichaza ukuthini lento ukuthi over the years asikasiboni isizathu asikabi nohulumeni onewili yokuthi le mbiwa esinazo la
siyiprocess thina. It's all a part of the system. Le system engilwisayo, le system enesifiso to dismantle one day. Yokuthi yonke into yala eSouth Africa, wonke umnotho, yonke iwealth ayibelongi kuthina. Siya reporta le eUK. Sireporta kuQueen. Even ipresident ifakwayo kudlula a few months ihambe eEngland. Iyothembisa, iyopromise ukuthi no matter what happens, ayisoze yaphazamisa umsebenzi.
Jeez.
Ayisoze yaphazamisa umsebenzi. Once I realized that, once I saw ngabona nama old athathwayo, because ithombe yazi into surprising ngalabantu, they hide in plain sight, like ithombe yakwazi ungena kuGoogle ubheke ithombe ubabone begqoka ama side above ama president. Ramaphosa, Jacob Zuma, but they all went there. Uyothembisa ukuthi no matter what happens, umsebenzi asuphazamisa.
Futhi kuneyifungo efike zenziwe.
Kuneyifungo, otherwise ngeke ube upresident o right ophethe nje into right. Uzosuswa, akuzoba khona something ezokwenziwa ezokupainta wena ezomuntu omubi. Bese siyazonda nathi sithi akahambe. Kanti no, wena usukhathela ukubhawa, wena usufuna ukuphazamisa umsebenzi, wenze something ezobenefitisa umuntu omnyama. That's why ke kusibuyele back lo talkshow ukuthi no matter what we produce, asikwazi ukuyothenga umshini ozogaya sibadayisele bona thina. No, we have to sihambise kubona. That's a promise eyenziwa from the very beginning. Since ikudala la khona sekushawa ispeech sekuthiwa never and never again shall it be that this great khona inkulumo ezashawa ngemuva.
Yes.
Khona ithembiso ezenziwe. And akumele uphazamise umsebenzi.
Akumele siphazanyiswe lezo
zinto.
Let us speak about ukungena komuntu omnyama. We know we've got a history of Jan van Riebeeck entering or Cape invasion in that sense. Umuntu omnyama khona la ngikuzwa khona engage at the very same issue. Ubuza ukuthi yini le bayithenga ngamalini lelizwe le njengoba today beyibiza ngokuthi bayalona lelalizwe omunye umuntu sebefuna ukumdayisela balithenga kubani iphi i-title deed yakho
with what's money ngeke ngakhuluma nomunye nje wesitha uproud uthi abafuna abantu abamnyama wangichomela wathi no bona they own izinto eziningi sengiyabuza ukuthi okay le land le uproud ngayo le yase Orania le yase Cape Town uthi wena nje nayithenga kanjani washo uthi hayi sayithenga ama Khoisan they bought it from the kanjani with what currency uqala nje ama Khoisan ayingakwazi ukukhuluma language yabo futhi nje ama Khoisan akwazi ukuthi akhuluma language yabo akwazi afunda akwazi ukuread language yabo akwazi ukusayina they stole everything laba abantu kodwa manje they are now pretending as if bathenga with what currency ngayiphi bank ama Khoisan ayazi ngama bank ayazi nge-currency but they are so proud ekutheni ukuthini le land that they currently own bayithenga even ne-Orania le kunendawo kuthi Orania whereby umuntu omnyama is not allowed ukuthi nje ahlale khona abe
don't have any access there
lutho kwizwe lakho kodwa bana ne-currency yabo kwizwe lakho although bangathi ama coupon wara but still at the end of the day i-currency abayisebenzisayo ephikisa umthetho wase South Africa kudeep lokho kuhlungu lokho ukuthi whilst umuntu omnyama engaoni lutho isitha took away everything from us.
Jeez.
And manje bafuna ngwane inani Cape Town ibe independent manje imele yodwa futhi sibe keeper from us. Why?
Do you think ukuthi bona vele banawo le ngqondo yokuthi bazimele noma baphume nje ku government onomuntu omnyama.
Ngiyabona vele bebengeke bayivule Orania kuthiwa bebengayifuni leyo nto leyo and ikhona nenye engizwile ukuthi iphumise Northern Cape or something khona enye ecishe ifane neOrania nabo bafuna ba independent bahlale bodwa kwizwe lethu. That doesn't make sense ngimina nje I'm against lento because I see the system, I see the corruption and ngifuna more for umuntu omnyama. We deserve more than lokho esinawo manje. It's not fair. It's not fair ukuthi impilo ibe nje. Something needs to change.
Need to change. Zero. Kunabanye abantu abanganakiwe kodwa nabo who constantly invading South Africa. Nabo sebenendawo ekuthiwa ezabo. Labantu ekuthiwa ama-Arabs, amaSulumane ababuya ko Middle East kulamazwe akho no Iraq, no Iran, no Afghanistan, no Qatar, you name them. There's so many of them. Or Saudi Arabia, blah blah blah. Nabo la South Africa, like where we are right now, there's a domination of them. You go on the side of the Saidenhead, there's a domination of them. Even in Gauteng, there's parts where you know ukuthi ufica bona bodwa and like omunye umuntu bayamxwaya and stuff, you know. Kusho ukuthini lokhu ngezwe lethu ukuthi noma iluphi uhlango lifika libuya kwelinye izwe la lifike lidla indawo ethile libize ngeyalo
liyangena nje ama leaders ethu enza into engayi understand and yabo if I could tell you this ngo July inkosi yethu our great leader yabantu abamnyama lapha uMrs Zulu wahamba wa UK.
Yes,
we have pictures, we have videos, and then go October waphinde futhi wasathe enye trip futhi waya eLukhuzane UAE Dubai.
Yes,
picture UAE ehleli nenkosi lapha eDubai.
Yes,
now he was signing ama contracts and of course abantu abamnyama bazojabula bathi siyaphambili as the Zulu tribe. Kusangavuka something ekuzothiwa we are the richest tribe mhlambe eSouth Africa. But mina into engistressa kakhulu ukuthi yini la abeyoyidayisa lapha. I keep asking myself and ngiyastressa ngalento because ngiworried ukuthi ngeke yazi awuvela usuke uthi ngiyovakasha eUK ngiyohlala nje nama elites. Awuvela usuke uthi ngiye eDubai ngiyohlala neking yase Dubai because kuleza ithome nama video he was sitting with the king yase Dubai be signing contracts. Lapha yana nje kusetshenzwa indaba yemali yaziwa kuyaziwa. So what did he sell? Angazi. Lokhu ngiyayibuza angazi. But engikubonayo mina is that
don't you think Ngonyama Trust is being sold at a higher speed?
I don't know Putomdala, I don't know. Uyabona nje ngiyasaba ezinye izinto ukuthi I don't want to question the king because inkosi yethu right ngiyizwe kuthiwa you don't question yena phela. Untayishoyo ushilo but engikishoyo mina ukuthi
angezwe lakhe
ngizwe lakhe but mina ngiyeni lo muntu omnyama uvela smile ajabulela into engekho. Ngiyayibuza mina ukuthi what did he sell? Sengiyabona manje kuvuka ama mine lithium lapha eMzumbe. Abantu baseMzumbe bayahlupheka manje especially laba abakheduze kwale mine because ayifuni ukubabhaya out ithenge umuzi bahambe mhlawumbe no. Khuma amabhomu kona lapho ke kwenza imining kuvuka idust lapho abantu baseMzumbe are
they are being like affected
kakhulu nala eDurban harbor I heard news ukuthi idayisiwe idayiswe through Shell company nakhona konke lokho kukhomba straight ekugcineni khomba straight eDubai. Yabo kuningi kwenzeka kusazovuka namanye futhi ama mine elithium eLukhuzane endaweni enjengeSelamonti eMobeni eClermont. Yabo eClearwood sorry kuzovuka la mama because they already made a zone whereby Lukhuzane bezomina khona. They had this initiative yavuka according to the source. Khona initiative yavuka whereby bezohamba door to door so khona abantu abangenayo bephethe amaphepha usually about 3 or 4 fike ngene endlini banibali 10 bangaki la siba u4 ingane ingane zu2 babhale la and then they leave a sticker esicabheni. Now they made a zone khona bazokwazi okay ile area le kunemizi emngaka inabantu abangaka. I don't know ukuthi koqala nini ukwenziwe mining but they already know the sites. They already know ukuthi leyo sites kunemizi emngaka kuhlala abantu abangaka. And again ayikho into ongayenza umuntu omnyama ukuphazamisa umsebenzi. I really feel ukuthi lento bazoyenza. I just don't know when and I don't know how because ihlala abantu ilamonti ilokishi
Yes.
Imobeni singasho sinaye
It's an
silokishi
industrial area there and there. Yeah.
and then iClearwood nayo sangaye, but there are people living there. So I want to know usuzokwenziwa kanjani because
Aren't
eMzumbe
they going to buy them out maybe?
angazi, because according to the contract or according to the info engitholile kuthiwa bazothola each person emkumuzi mhlawumbe mawuthi siba u4 so uthola 12,500 sonke 12,500 and then
What is that, man?
ngicabanga and then they're going to remove abantu babayise kuzothi ama hostel residential area but hostel thina sabantu abamnyama sithi hostel bakuhlala lapho ke and then mise kuyaqhutsheka. Imagine ke 12,500 sushiye inxiba lakini nakhulela la
Yonke into yakhe la.
yabo. And then of course phela uhulumeni uzoyiphusha lo forward uthi hayi thathani le deal mhlambe futhi angaconvince ngisho nabantu emphakathini hayi nathi thathile right yabo. Angazi ukwenziwani but ngine worry because I know it's going to happen. It's already happened eMzumbe and lento yenzeke before ngichaza ngithe ngikhipha ivideo iqala iba viral kwaqala kwavela hayi beMzumbe kuyanyakaza uyasho yavuka ngempela imine eMzumbe njengoba bengishilo yabo. So manje I'm worried ukuthi what's going to happen next because abanendaba nomuntu omnyama banendaba nemali and ama leaders ethu they can't do anything because akumele baphazamise umsebenzi.
Asikhulume nge a man at the helm Cyril Ramaphosa. There's been a lot of strikes. Umgwaqo yashe South Africa amatayara yashe. Abantu, some of them they just want him out of power. So ngifuna ukuthola la ukuthi uvo lwakho wena position yakho with regards to his style of leadership and stuff. What is your say? How do you feel about it?
At first ngizwe ukuthi sizongena angifuni uqamba amanga. I was kind of happy because ngimazi as this billionaire useke wenza ama moves amaningi in order to get him to the top. Wake watholakala kwi management yaka MTN, watholakala kwi management yaka McDonald's where he was running I think it's about 164 some 68 man yama McDonald's franchise. Wawadayisa wonke in order to be able ukuthi manje ayobe president. So ama moves akhe I've been following him kakhulu and I respected him until eqala iphatha.
He was also a leader of the union.
Ama youth league lapha emining yabo. So nje yena wenayo leyo quality ukuthi mhlambe uzosisa phambili wavela waphatha
opposite of what you were thinking.
Yazwa ijika lento umuntu wavela focus emalini kakhulu ke nalokho kuphumelela yena nabantu bakubo kuphumelela yena nabantu bakubo and la khona engabona ukuthi things are bad la khona sesihamba siyocela iloan le 500 billion. 500 billion.
Jeez bro.
Wasikhombisa ama flames kuRamaphosa lapha wasikhombisa ama flames imali yanyamalala imali kwenziwa izinto eziningi and when abantu abamnyama got angry when abantu abamnyama bethukisa yamsusa manje wavele wabashanga umqondo wathi boom now 350.
Jeez.
Kwathulala wathi do kwathula wala wathi do 350 was a distraction khona umuntu omnyama ezothi ukuba calm ehlisa igazi right. That's what I said. They always hide something. Bazokwenza something ezokwenza ukuthi sikhohlwe the truth. Sikhohlwe the truth sinake lokho and right now u350 or 370 because useziwa eda has become the core of umuntu omnyama momcabanga like mangasuthuthi nje ukufakela imali athi hayi ungayifaka ebank ukuphazamisa u350 wami yabona ngekuthe azinonto ibhlungu kanjani iyadlala ngomqondo womuntu omnyama because wena ufuna umfayile imali enkulu unalo 350 but yena ufocused unakile lo pending yabo.
Uma ufuna ukumnika imali uzathi ngicela unginike cash ungayifaka ebank.
Cabanga imagine that ukuthini sengenza noma yini manje because ubabambe ngo350 abantu banefear yokuthi if si protest against him sithi akasuki bazophela u350 ngesisabathola. Ubabambe ngomqondo wokuthi if senza something ngizoncisha the little enginipha kona yabo. So njengamanje I doubt ukuthi khona into esingayenza sibe united as abantu abamnyama, not to mention abanye ke mhlapa amanyama race njengesitha nama colors namandi sengisho abantu abamnyama there is nothing esingayenza because siba u10 showcase ikhona abawu7 abazovele bathi nope sophazamisa u351 yabo. That's why enza lezi zinto sesiqala kuyaphunywa manje ukuthi ubani Maumela lo
wabamphutha
umshana wakhe lo kade emphika waqeda waphuma amavideo uthi no bahlobene yaphuma iproof ithombe buka untshontshe emalini 2 billion 2 billion lapho kwathathwa imoto lezi ama Lamborghini lawo blue kwathathwa unane imoto yamshana wakhe lencane Lamborghini iyabiza leyampahla leyana Jesu le toys lengane libizani kwasizwa umuzi wakhe wathathwa like Sunny Hope ezabantu
almost everything was confiscated and
exactly Sunny Hope ezabantu abamnyama uthi okay mhlawumbe konke izokwenzeka waqede kwathulakala after that sesidistractwa ngani sesidistractwa ngoKhet Matlala manje sekucinwa yena I feel like uyena anganoma ngizothi escape goat uyena
scapegoat
uyena umuntu bazofihla ngaye kuzodilwa naye kakhulu so as to protect laba abanye because how can you steal izibuze nawe bhuti omdala how can you steal u2 billion without usazi wazi the minute kuba khona imali above 100,000 imove kwi system usazi uyazi and usazi uyakuya kuwena ufuna ukwazi what's going on le mali uyithatha kwenzekalani but yena he was able to take u2 billion nje ngenze kulutho which proves ukuthi okay the current president usiza abantu bomndeni he's even connected with uMutsepe because ushadeni usisi kaMutsepe nje
till report Stellenbosch
yabona
sino vola
Stellenbosch mafia
Rupert the Oppenheimers
yabona kwanabo they are part of labantu laba that actually run South Africa currently njengamanje what I've been working on and is into engifuna ukuthi ngisheshe ngirelease is ukuthi find out who is the shadow government because I believe angivele ngithi I believe allegedly ukuthi sine shadow government that actually runs South Africa abantu ekuyibona ebenza ama rules lawazo affect umuntu omnyama nabo. That's why ngeke ngenza a video futhi nakhona I like ukuthi ngifike ngenza ivideo abantu badoubt eqeda phuma amaqiniso. I made a video ngikhuluma about this guy bengisanda ukumdiscover which is uPaul O'Sullivan.
Yes.
I was very scared ngisanda ukudiscover lo amchita because I saw ukuthi okay we threats he makes the decision for abantu abaningi and if wena wenza isinqumo esiphazamisa umsebenzi he finds a way ukuthi disappear. It's either mhlambe wena uthola mhlambe imoto noma uthola imali kuba khona imali uba nayo nje drastically ngendlela esingayazi or you just disappear nje mhlambe uhambe le South Africa noma uvela unyamalala abaphela kanyamalala yabo. So I made the video explaining abantu in details ukuthi lo muntu kanje wenza into kanje usebenzela bani ama assets akhe ahamba kanjani ama shell companies ama company a fake abawasebenzisa ukuthi bafihla imali yabo. Ngakuchaza konke kule video ya trend video after that kwimadlanga commission uLokuzane our general Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi said the same thing ebengizisho about uPaul O'Sullivan ukuthi yena uzisho nje uyabuza iCommission ukuthi ubani lo ngoba wenza ukuthi nokuthi esho the same thing ebengizisho sengaze ngabona sengithekwa abantu laba bangilandela kuma videos ami uthi hayibo uGeneral Mkhwanazi usho lezi zinto atuzisho
lento kade ukhuluma
and iyona ngo yaphinde futhi yashiwo uLokuzane uJena khona lo mphathi lo wamaphoyisa lo uba uqoqa isiqoko ukubheka icele nayo esho the same thing nayo ebuza ukuthi no man ubani lo une influence engaka yabo. That was when I was reassured ukuthi no ikhona shadow government manje my duty njengamanje ukuthi ngifind out ukuthi ubani amalunga badume ngani and expose this because the truth shall set you free. Abantu abamnyama deserve to know iqiniso ngezwe labo sekukubona usibazokwenza njani once they know the truth.
Because it seems like there's somebody that is behind yena oshayela lestimela esikusona. Recently few days back Witness D was shot. Ubani Van der Merwe or somebody Van der Merwe Marius Van der Merwe Marius Van der Merwe was shot.
Izwa nje
ngokuvela kweindaba ezibuya kwamanye nje ama news ubekade ezokwenza i-interview webhayikade expose khona illegal mining for which he highlighted ukuthi ubona illegal mining ingastop eSouth Africa it because kunabantu abakhulu who are involved there who are getting something there and stuff you know. Also ke sokhumbula ukuthi uWitness D omunye owa expose isidumbu esalahlwa eFereniging or something yes ubani lo Julius Mkhwanazi is involved kuleyo nto le. What is your take ukuthi sithi sinophiko olunjenga nemadlanga bese kufa uWitness?
I guess singasho not to mention amagama but singasho ukuthi they are trying to hide something. Because again njengisho futhi again lento I believe ukuthi uKhethi Madlala is an scapegoat. Uyena umuntu abavika ngaye to hide the real elites ekuyibona abantu who run izinto eziningi. Because whenever ezokhuluma yena he only mentions himself and mase bembuza ukuthi okay wena njengoba uthole le tender usizo ubani athi hayi asaba julu wabe manzi khona amagama if you follow the Madlanga Commission whenever ebuzo something yena ume ngendaba ukuthi okay I did this bengingedwa icompany yami kanjeni legit but whenever sekumela mention amagama because uyena umuntu owazi amagama aka mention.
But there was a time whereby athi before ezoya kuyona ad hoc committee la ethi khona uzohaveza amaqiniso but seems like there's nothing that is coming out.
Kwaphela nya konke lokho and nalaba they are scared of him. Khona lo abamkidnap lo wa ku-MK ngiyamthandayo sona sikhuluma esi-writing lapho omdala
I see that guy was Davidson
uyena umuntu usimele singabantu abamnyama lapho
ushongwe
hayinsizwa le athi mem interrogator azambize ngehutmani yabo efuna relax yabo abe comfortable axoxe uKhethi Madlala akhiphe nezinto engamela ikhiphe. I respect istyle sakhe sokukhuluma interrogator because yena umuntu usakwazi ukuthi umenza akhiphe more than he should have said.
Kube khona ukutholakalayo
and then yawa kidnap wakhe.
Yes. What is your take on illegal foreign immigrants in South Africa?
I don't know uyabona kujulileke lapho ke for now I can't comment but umdala because that's not my battle njengamanje. I don't want to say something especially on a public platform kanje ngibe ngazi so many people look up to me bayabuka. I don't want to comment because my struggle for now is ukuthi free abantu abamnyama from isitha and the system that they created ukuthi is keep it down. Once I'm able mhlawumbe ukuthi silwe leyo battle umuntu omnyama aqala progress ayephambili then I will choose ukuthi sibuyele emumva and start making sure ukuthi abantu ababenefit for actually for real is abantu abamnyama base South Africa. Sisiyaqala lapho looking towards working with the Operation Tutula and other systems ukuthi senze sure ukuthi you are here unephepha lokubalana, you are running a business, we monitor you, you are paying tax. But for now I think I want to choose to focus on the whole or engithi mina what I see as ukuthi yimpi ukuthi umuntu omnyama owns nothing kwizwe lakhe. Angazi ibhlungu leyo nto leyo ibhlungu leyo nto because phela nayo yabo sesingabuza nawo ubafu lapho ukuthi la ihlala khona njengoba ihlala isakhamuzi kuleyo area yangakini mhlambe meyibuka umakhelwane kuthini kuyena seeing and knowing ukuthi okay asinalenda asikwazi ukufuya asikwazi ukutshala kodwa sabantu abamnyama mina angikwazi ngisho ukusenga inkomo ke mina angikwazi ngisho ukusenga inkomo ngoba kodwa ngumuntu omnyama wayibo kanjani why because they took away everything. Manje kuthini kuwena umuntu omnyama wazi uphila leyo mpilo is it okay angazi mina simbuze nobaba is it okay kodwa
kulento esho uqinisile however mawubheka abantu abamnyama bana island kakhulu sibheke ukuthi abantu abamnyama abaningi babuye endaweni zasemakhaya. Ikhona iland, ipiece of land encane abantu abayi-ownayo emakhaya. Kodwa kunale nkinga yokuthi ugovernment wethu akafuni ukuthuthukisa iy'ndawo zasemakhaya. So abantu bagcine beza la bezokwakha imikhukhu eduze kwamadolobha, bagcine belwa nomasipala ukuthi sifuna iy'ndawo zokwakha ezi-around la so that sizokwazi ukuthi sibe ne-access yokuthi sikwazi ukuya emsebenzini. Ngoba sile emakhaya asikwazi ukukwenza lokho. Mhlambe before we look much deeper into issue ye-land, ake siphinde sibheke ukuthi yona le esinayo siyakwazi ukuyi-utilize. Yes, of which ukuba destabilized kwethu ekutheni siyi-utilize, it's because we do not have ama-resources. Ugovernment akasinikezi okwanele ukuthi sikwazi ukuba namandla anele ukuthi sithuthukise ngale makhaya so that abantu bengezuza ngapha bazodimanda iland esuke incane kweyamasipala ngoba befuna ukwakhelwa izindlu ezisondelene nendawo zokusebenza.
Bhuti omdala amazwi akhe ayaphilisa. Amazwi akhe ayaphilisa kakhulu. Yazi, you said it exactly and we show kahle lento.
Yeah.
I guess we just need an opportunity and manje even the government isn't willing to help umuntu omnyama. Lo onayo kilendi amthuthukise akwazi okay mina imfuyo mhlambe ubisi hamba usebenzisana noClover yabo mhlambe inyama le asebenzisana nama companies a distribute naye they are closed leyo mnyango le.
For example wana 0Y singenawo mhlambe let's say uhlaka nje an agency ya government ehamba yosiza abantu basemakhaya mhlambe abafuya inkomo nezimbuzi ukuthi okay si create a market manje as ugovernment nizozidayisa la kuthina izimbuzi nenkomo then thina sikwazi ukuyifaka mhlambe kwi markets enkulu ezosuke kuyukuthi market wonke umuntu ose South Africa uyakwazi ukufinyelela yona. Ugovernment usene stigma sokuthi hayi abantu abadayisa inkomo yilaba abama farmers abantu abamhlophe, so akafuni ukusicreate lathina imarket ngoba phela ekugcineni abantu abamnyama basha kwinkululeko into eziningi abazazi. Siyawadinga lawa ama workshop ebusiness azofundisa abantu basemakhaya ukuthi ba understand better ibusiness yale business already abakuyona kodwa abasuke beyithatha njengane scale esincane.
Exactly.
Yeah, but anything that I can add which is a huge problem South Africa. Let us look to China for instance. China kunomthetho ohlukene kabili. Uthi it's either wena or mina. Kusho uhulumeni kanjalo. Uthi ukudevelopa kwe China it's either it's a private business or it's me as a government. Uchaza ukuthini na? Njengenza umzekelo njenge South Africa. South Africa uhulumeni wakho nihleze ekhala umuzwa nawe endabeni hey we are looking for the investors blah 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 blah, but ingakanani revenue eyenza uhulumeni wala ayikho into angahluleka ukuyenza uhulumeni yala. Methi ufuna ukwakha idairy la noma uChester noma angayakho uhulumeni because unayo imuscle yokwenza lokho, you know. So there's a different with the Chinese government. Uhulumeni wase China uma nina ningakwazi ukulakha ibusiness as a private sector uyalakha uhulumeni lisebenze liqashe abantu kuba ukuthi yibhizinisi la hulumeni, for which I think it's the same model that South Africa should ithathe isebenzise because it is working. Awulindi private sector, awulindi usabela ukuthi azavula ibhizinisi aqashe abantu. Wena as uhulumeni ukwazi ukuzivulela ama business because you are the motherboard at the end of the day. So when kufanele wenze sure ukuthi izinto ziyalunga. Sesizovala nje uhlelo khona indaba oke wayithinta behambelana nokusenga ukuthi awukwazi ukusenga. So ngifuna sithinte indaba yentsha kakhulu abantu abangangani no ama 2K who seems to be very they've got a little bit of knowledge of how things are done and stuff, you know. Ignorance it's a bengafuna ukusebenzisa lokho because but lokhu kuyenzeka kuningi ngeke sikhulume ngento eyodwa abanye ufice engakwazi ngisho ukupheka abanye engakwazi nokushanela akwazi ukusenga akwazi ukulusa akwazi ukuthandaza mhlawumbe ukuthandaza ngoba kwase West singangakuna akazazi ithakazelo zakhe mongathi akabongele akazi uzalo lwakhe ukwehla kwalo akalazi akazi lutho umubuka wena iziplay zathu ezenza ukuthi labantu abakhula manje bathanda ukufipha abali
good question. Abona kule kumele bayibuka abantu epodcast imele nje bahlezi bebuka nibuza imibuzo ejulile ngeke niphazamise umsebenzi sonyamalala yazi I guess asifundiswanga lezi zinto lezi you never had umuntu ozokuhlayisa phansi athi okay mfana wami usengwa kanje iluswa kanje inkomo sikhulele emalokishini sikwabanye bakhulele emasabhabsini abazali bayasebenza baya clock in ba clock out and then now they expect you to okay uzofola under that system loki cycle iqhubeka now mawuthi wena uthi uthanda i-farming ufuna ukwazi ukitshalwa kanjani mhlawumbe uthanda mhlawumbe i-agriculture uthanda nje nokulusa futhi ne livestock uzoyithatha ke le nto le uhlala eMlazi uzoyithatha le nto uhlala eLamonti uhlala efolweni uAdams eMpumbulu okay ingcono eMpumbulu because indawo emakhaya but for those abakhulela lokishini bazi indaba ukuthi okay ngiyaphuma sisitolo sothenga into sohlala isitolo abanye bahlala isitolo abanye bayaphuza abanye babhema nalokho kubhenywayo yabo it's a cycle mawusubuza amarazo ngoba thina sina I'm not ashamed to say this as now thina amarazo thina abantu sithi okay endaweni sivumele urazo uhlezi sitshena amagama aphilisayo njengoba nisho nini yabo uhlezi ezusiqaqa nje njengeyintwana hayi lento yenziwa kanje cha abashana bami sambenze emakhaya nginifundisa yabo nje asithathi asmentorish we don't have people like that nalokho irazo izokutshela mshanami intombi engana intombi engaka mshanami yabo irazo yakho umuntu obukela kuyena uzokutshela mshanami yabona ke idamu leli ligoqwa kanje yabo irazo yakho supposed to be imento uzokutshela ukuthi uDecember phuza uDecember sidla imali asinawo umuntu ozokugada asinawo umuntu ozokuyisa ozoba ne direction empilweni yeyouth si end up ahlala ezitolo nawo lamarazo labantu
labantu who are supposed to be mentoring
ama mentors ahlala nathi esitolo ama mentors acela thina ishuma ama mentors asifuna imali yabi yabo and then it becomes a cycle ukuthi nathi siba routine because isikhulile abantu aba routine shiya uthi endlini okay ema teachings asendlini uyawathola phela yabalekile but uyamdinga umuntu out there ozobe imentor kuwena ozokutshela mshanami mina ngenza into ethize ngicela ukufundisa noma ungayithandi but at least iba ne knowledge ngikwazi ukushaya ipiano mshanami woza kufundisa ngikwazi ukushaya isiging woza kufundisa we don't have that bahlala emgaqweni baphuza amabhiya kuze kushonila
yazi lento so raise ibaleke kakhulu mhlamba ke nawo sibhek nje nina njengana nabantu abasebancane nikhulela kwi community whereby issue yotshwala has become so wild abantu bonke bayaphuza ngeweekend ukwazi ukuthi kumele kuphuzwe abantu abasithuli there was a cry by uAmani Dube there was a cry by uJacinta ngoba sebekhuluma ngayo lento yokuthi even if when you organize ama-march abantu abezi because abantu bafocus kakhulu ukuthi unebhabhalazi kade ephuzile ngayizola akakwazi ukuthi ezemashini awo xuma lapha mhlambe wena njengomuntu osemncane okhula lento uyibuka kwabanye abangangawe in affects kangakanani lento yokuthi abantu abangaphambi kwenu sebehlezi bephuzile nabangangani bahlezi bephuzile where do you get inspiration or motivation ukuthi I can be a better person when everybody around you is drunk?
I like umbuzo wakho but umdala I really like umbuzo wakho yazi for me ekhaya umama is umetron right she runs isibhedlela and then my dad is a principal right so they raised us ngalendlela ukuthi bayasipush. I mean, I've always been pushed ukuthi you can do better, hlanganisa wara ngafunda ngaqeda matric ngahamba ngayiversity ngafunda, and then I was like phani indawo futhi I was like no, lento engenzayo akusimina. Ngabuyela kubazali bami ngabacela ukuthi ngicela ninginike a few years ngidiscover ngithola into engiyithandayo. If kwenzeka ukuthi okay ngilento le my path lengifuna ukuyahamba it doesn't work out, ngizobuyela emumva, finish the degree, ngihambe ngiyobele lawyer abafuna ngibe yona, yabo. And then they were like okay, so kunika until 2030 figure out ukuthi ufuna ukwenzani. If uhluleka you're going back uqede degree. And then for usisi wami omncane yena ufunda e-taxi, she does the sports, sijwayele umbona nje ku-TV. Bekumele abuye soon, akabuyanga, uzabuye ngomhla 12 because kumele ayo attenda enye ilokhuzane enye competition is in Nigeria, right? That's how much besipush ekhaya. Even my little brother is being shaped ukuthi abe Super Bowl, dlala ibhola, abe soccer star, yabo, because uyalithanda na ibhola. Now I've always had that influence from ekhaya ukuthi I can be better, I can do better. Angamandi i-environment engikuyona kakhulu, because la as long as la ku right then ngizoya phambili. Now when I sit with my friend ngagcina sengibe lo mngani lawa mangihleli namajito ukuthi hayi bomfethu yazi mfethu asishama CV, hayi bomfethu yazi mfethu asithola imisebenzi lapha yana yabo, asenza ukuthi khona i-conference ekhona samse kubo siye khona sibone so gainani. I'm that friend engithini a push nabangani bami ukuthi let's move forward. Let's move forward. Ngalokuthi in a way ukuthi they even stopped ukwenzeni izinto eziningi because nabo, because of the environment, bese bedonseke ekutheni baphuza utshwala, bese bedonseke ekutheni ukuthi baphafuze lezi zinto eziphafuzwa, right? Ngasho kanjalo bese bedonseke. And now it came to a point ukuthi ngiba keep up busy hlezi senze izinto until baphuma kuleyo mqondo. Baphuma kuona njengamanje all of my friends basebenza, omunye usafunda ushaya final year wakhe. So njengamanje I influenced them ngalendlela ukuthi sesiphumile, sihlala khona phela lokushini, but manje ngokomqondo asekho lapho. Sekulate ukuthi ngakhona irazi eqhamuka isitsheni hayi uyazini uDecember manje siphuze, because umjito wami uzongitshela uzomtshela hayibo uDecember manje akupendiwe ekhaya, mina kushintsha indlela yokupenda. Umjito wami uzokutshela ukuthi okay nginemali ethize, what can I do as to improve mina or impilo yasekhaya. And then bese sihlala sonke ke nje as a group sibonisana ukuthi okay kini likhona ifridge, uyalithanda wena ifridge indlela ilona kini, okay hayi angilithanda kanjani, okay ushuda amalini simpheshe thenga ifridge elisha kubo ajabulisa umzali.
Yes,
yabo, or enze something for himself, or ukuthi nje amise phambili empilweni, mhlawumbe aqala ibhizinisi, omunye unane car wash, usefuna ukuba nechisa nyama. I was that person ekubangani bami ukuthi ngayibona early i-corruption yale ndawo ihlala kuyona, and I fought ukuthi ngizokhipha mina nabantu around mina from umqondo. Mentally umzimba ungahlala khona, but umqondo awuphume from i-environment, otherwise bazocorrupt labantu ohlala nabo, bakubuyisele emuva, bakubreak it down.
Yes,
we can't be like that. We deserve more. So nginawo ama initiatives engikwenzayo,
because I was about to ask that ukuthi khona into enzayo just to spread the word, lokugulo nako ukufakele nakwabanye.
Ikhona initiative engayivula which is called the Zero Foundation. Siyahamba siyofeed, sinama feeding schemes, siyofeed abantu abahlala emgaqweni. I do go out ezikoleni ngibe nama competition where I give out izinto kuyingane, mhlambe it's a bicycle, mhlambe nje ukuspreada lokho ukuthi ingane ijabule, mhlambe mningi nezicathulo, and then ngiba lecture after that. Ngibatshene the one thing ngithanda ukuyesho, ngibatshene ukuthi be a leader, don't be a follower. Ngiba pusha kulo mqondo ukuthi no matter in the future, because ngeke ngihlezi ngikhona as a mentor or ngihlezi ngiphangi kwakhe, usazophuma aye ngakubo and face labantu abazomzela necorruption. Ngifuna ukufreya umqondo wakhe, ngani afunde ukuzenzela ama decisions akhe, angabi ifollower ukuthi okay baphuza abangani bami nama ngiphuza, baphafuza nama ngiphafuza. I free ingqondo yakhe yokuthi be a leader, don't be a follower. So no matter what happens, noma kuthiwa ngifacea abantu abatoxic basekhaya noma base bangaphandle, mina la ngiprepared
Yes.
I always ngiyayiphusha leyo nto ngiyayiphusha ingane seziyihleke because khona isikole ejwayele ukuza kusona seziyihleke ziyazi nathi say be a leader don't be a follower ngithi yes mshayami yes yabo that's the mindset I push and I'm praying ukuthi uNkulunkulu aloku eyikhuphula lento yami because I really love the black community ngisifunela more it's just that I see corruption I see the system and I'm trying my best ukuthi ngisiza abantu abamnyama babe free umzimba mhlambe ungahlala la uhlala khona but la iba free if lento le if ingqondo yakhe iqala isebenza kahle then uzoba i-threat even nakwisitha because wena usucabanga beyond le system abayisetha for wena
yazi ngisathi ngithi njengoba aware kunjengoba unalendlela ekanje ocabanga ngayo ukuthi there are so many possibilities around you. Someone from the ANC, someone from the DA, from the MK, from Inkatha can come to you and sebekubonile ukuthi you are possessing power on the social media. Approach ukuthi ndoda awuzojoina i-youth league yethu la mhlambe sizokunikeza i-position. Do you see yourself one day becoming a politician or you wanna stay forever like njengokunje?
Ngiyawuthanda umbuzo wakho. I always get asked lo mbuzo yazi. I guess if ithuba lifika one day sengiprepared I would like to take a role of a leader whether it is as a councillor or whatever ifikayo. But inkingi yodwa mina engiye ngibasheshe ngibatshena abantu ngayo. In everything I do I favor umuntu omnyama. Kuko konke engikwenzayo I choose umuntu omnyama above kona konke. Therefore if ngibe a leader ngizobe i-leader enza ukuthi kuphumele umuntu omnyama kuqala.
Do you know ukuthi wonke ama-leader ayesho njengawo futhi they've got the same spirit until money comes to their pocket.
Isubona mina ngithanda kakhulu umuntu omnyama mina. I feel like konke ngokwenza even if kuthiwa kuphuma ithenda go benefita umuntu omnyama kuqala. Ngimile kulokhuza umuntu omnyama mina. Ngimile angiwi. I love abantu abamnyama kakhulu and I believe ukuthi siyakude if we can just get an opportunity. Manje ngizama ukuthi ngivule leyo mnyango and I'm willing to spend the rest of my life ngichase leyo dream because ikusasa laziwa. I don't know ukuthi ngizophelelaphi but I know ukuthi la ngiyakhona umuntu omnyama will be free. Sizobenefit no matter what.
Nganza kwethu sizivala kanjalo ukuhlelo lwayo iDurban Network u20 uthanda umuntu omnyama ukudlula imali. We know of great leaders who've got fantastic ideas but yafika imali nganza kwethu yayingcolisa imiqondo yabo. Mfana kithi siyabonga ukusivakashela e-studio. That was a super and wonderful conversation that we shared today. Siyabonga. Mhlambe zero mhlambe ufuna abantu bakulandele ku social media.
Oh, if ufuna ungifuna mina if you want to watch me Zero Africa on all digital platforms whether it's TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, mawukuthi uya ku YouTube uzobhalisa Zero inkinga but nakhona if ubhalisa Zero Africa I appear because that's me and lelo gama ngathola ibhola njalo ngazi nitshe ngangikukhipha ngikukhipha lapha ngangeni lutho like amachita athi u0 wena
ngeni lutho okay. Sivala njalo kuhlelo naye u0 Africa uthi ke uma ufuna ukumlandela kuma social media platforms it is 0 Africa across all social media platforms. Sivala njalo ke uhlelo lwayo iDurban Network. I am your host Sabel insizwa yakwandabase le phansi eSouth Coast City kona nje abake babonana baphinde babonana. Danko.